In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable monetization on Pinterest desktop. To unlock monetization on Pinterest, you first need to prove you own your website. This is done inside your Pinterest business settings, and once it's verified, Pinterest can attribute your content correctly and open up monetization tools tied to your site. Let's walk through it together on desktop. Start by heading to Pinterest Business Hub in your browser. At the top right, next to your profile picture, click the small drop-down arrow to open your account menu. From there, select Settings to open your account controls. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Link to Pinterest. Open that, then find the area for websites. This is where you'll connect your site to your account. Click the Claim button beside websites to begin the verification process. You'll see 3 ways to verify ownership, and you can choose whichever fits your setup best. The first is to add an HTML tag to your site's header. The second is to upload an HTML file that Pinterest provides to your site's root folder. The third, which we'll use for this example, is to add a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Choose the TXT record option. Pinterest will generate a unique TXT value for your domain. Click the Click to Copy button to copy that value exactly. Then click Continue inside Pinterest so you're ready for the final steps. Now paste it in here, meaning go to your domain host or DNS provider in a separate tab, create a new TXT record for your domain, and paste the value you just copied into the record's value field. If your provider asks for a host or name, using the root symbol or leaving it blank is often fine, but follow your provider's guidance. Save the record and return to Pinterest. Back in Pinterest, click Verify. Pinterest will check for the DNS record you just added. If it doesn't verify immediately, that's normal. DNS changes can take a little time to propagate. Give it a bit, then try Verify again. Once Pinterest finds the record and confirms your site, click Done to finish. That's it. Your website is now claimed, which is the key requirement for enabling monetization features connected to your site on Pinterest. Keep the verification record in place so your claim remains active, and allow some time for the status to update across your account. If DNS isn't your preference, remember you can always return to the claim screen and use the HTML tag or the HTML file upload methods instead.